Experience the timeless beauty of the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, reimagined for the modern era. Welcome to Luxury Cars Drive, where classic meets contemporary in the most breathtaking way. This stunning masterpiece combines vintage charm with cutting-edge luxury. Under the hood, a high-performance V8 engine delivers raw power, seamlessly blending nostalgia with speed. The sleek chrome accents and iconic body lines are now enhanced with modern aerodynamics, giving it a bold yet elegant presence on the road. Step inside and feel the evolution of luxury. Premium leather seats with handcrafted stitching provide ultimate comfort. A state-of-the-art digital dashboard seamlessly integrates with the classic design, offering a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and advanced navigation. Customizable ambient lighting sets the mood, while a high-fidelity surround sound system immerses you in pure audio bliss. Safety meets sophistication with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and 360-degree cameras, making every drive effortless and secure. The latest suspension technology ensures a smooth and exhilarating ride, whether you're cruising the city streets or hitting the open highway. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air has returned, blending the past with the future in an automotive masterpiece. Experience luxury, power, and heritage like never before. Subscribe to Luxury Cars Drive and witness the rebirth of a legend.